Now let's go over the mode called financial mode that you can find in chat settings. When you enable it, let's remove the peaks. And here you can see every moment in the stream where somebody donated or subscribed. You can hover these little symbols here and you can see specifically for how long they subscribed and at what tier. The gift is a gift subscription. You can click over here and you can see how many bits the streamer received, how many subs, for how long, and how many gift subs they got, and the total amount of money they made this stream. Now remember that this is an estimate, and if you have a better deal set up with Twitch than 50% of the subscription fee, then you have to take that into account. Now this mode is pretty useful, not just to see how much money you made, but also to see what kind of content will give you more subscribers. Let's say you have a stream where you stream multiple different kinds of games. Maybe you can see a pattern that certain games give you more subscribers or give you more bits than other places. We can see here that specifically in this area, Broxa got a lot of subs, and also in this area over here. Now I don't know if specific things happened in this area, but you can investigate to see if you can see some kind of patterns.